Good morning everyone. Today I Divyanshu of Standard 10E is here you to present the project work of computer given by our teacher Kishore sir, which will explain you the different types of operating system and its uses. So let's begin. First, the number of types of operating system on the basis of tasks supported. First, single task OS. Second, multitasking OS. Third, batch OS. Fourth, time sharing OS. Fifth, distributed OS. Sixth, network OS. Seventh, real-time OS. And now begin. Let's see the second part, which is the number of operating system based on user interface. That is CUI, that is command user interface, and GUI, graphical user interface. The example of CUI is MS DOS, and example of GUI is Windows. The third type of operating system based on number of users supported, that is single user OS and multi-user OS. So let's see these in detail. First, on basis of task supported, single task OS support single work at a time. Second, multitasking OS. Multitasking OS support multiple tasks at a time. Its example are Linux, Mac OS. Third, batch OS. From the name we suggest batch. Batch means turn-wise on a fixed time. So it works on batches and turn-wise. It was first introduced when the PCs were new came in the market. Second, time sharing OS. Time sharing OS assign the CPU for multiple processes at different work. Fourth, distributed OS is used for multi-purpose processing by multiple programs and making PC fast. Network OS, it works on server network environment used for light work, that is managing data. Example are Unix, Microsoft Server 2008. Real-time OS. Real-time OS, it is a process. It process input data without any delay. The measure of processing time requirement is the 10th of a second or short. Real-time OS is also of two types. First, hard real-time OS and soft real-time OS. Now we will see operating system in detail based on user interface. This is for GUI, which supports single task and single user at a time. It supports commands from keyboard and doesn't support graphics. Example is MS-DOS. Second is GUI. It supports command from both keyboard and mouse. It supports multiple tasks and multi-user. Its example is Linux and Windows. Now these are basically used. That is GUI is basically used in computer. CUI was used in previous version or very old computer. Now we will see OS based on user supported. First, single user OS, which supports single type user at a time. Example MS-DOS, Palm OS, that is mobile phone. Second, multi-user OS. It supports multiple user at a time. Example Unix, virtual memory system, that is VMS. Now we will see difference between operating system. First is Unix, Linux, MS-DOS and Palm OS. Unix is multitasking user with multi-user. Linux is also multi-user multitasking, but MS-DOS and Palm OS are single user single tasking, but Palm OS is single user and multitasking. Now we can see that Unix is only the operating system which supports CUI, that is command line user interface. Linux, MS-DOS also supports CUI, but Linux and Palm OS support GUI, and Linux also supports CUI. Unix has several versions, but they lack interoperability. Linux is an open source software. MS-DOS is replaced by MS Windows OS, which we are nowadays using in our computer. And Palm OS is specially designed for personal digital assistant. Now Unix is a networking based operating system. Linux is also a network based operating system, but MS-DOS is basically developed for OS, and mobile OS is also based on mobile OS. It is specific for mobile OS. So here we have seen the difference between all the different types of operating system. Here I want to conclude. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it and you got information also from this video. Thank you and have a peaceful day.